He's back, and a viral Nike ad shows Cleveland welcoming him home with open arms. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz 60. It was just a few short years ago LeBron James broke hearts in Ohio by leaving the Cavaliers for the Miami Heat. But now he's back in Cleveland, and it seems the city is willing to forgive and forget.
Here we go, bring it on in.
Yes, he's talking to you. And you, and you. The ad called Together shows the whole city of Cleveland in a huddle while LeBron psychs them up for the game, drawing on the strength of Cav fans to get the team to a championship.
Everything that we do on this floor because of this city.
And everyone seems to be behind him. Gone are the days of cursing the name LeBron and burning his jerseys in the streets. Cleveland wants an NBA championship, and they're hoping LeBron will bring it home for them. Like he did for Miami twice. But enough about the Heat, it's time to get down to business.
1, 2, 3. Hard work. 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
Buzz 60, now you know. Pass it on.